Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, we are going to start Wondershare Filmora video editing course. So we are going to start this video series. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to install the Wondershare Filmora 11 because we are going to use the 11th version. So what we have to do, so I'm going to open this. So you have to search Wondershare Filmora. So I'm going to write the Filmora here. So we have to open this. So as you can see, it's open. After opening, you are going to see the interface like this. Here's the option for the new project. If you want to make a new project, you have to click on this. If you have any old or recent projects, you guys can see all the projects here. And these are some other options. Filmora is also providing a screen recorder as well. So if you want to use that screen recorder, you can also use that. And here's the button of new project. You have to click on this. So as you can see, the interface of the Filmora 11 is here. So this is the Filmora 11th version. You guys can download it easily from the Filmora website. So as you can see, here are the options or tabs are provided for the media tab, stock tab, and audio tab. All things are here. Now here's the option, like click here to import media, that you have to import all files which you want to edit. So for example, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to import some videos and some other files as well. For example, I'm going to use this picture and let's move. I'm going to use this sample and I'm going to use this one, these audio files, these pictures. So I'm going to open these all. So as you can see, I have imported these all audio files, video files, and images. Now you guys, what you guys have to do, you guys have to drag these all into a timeline. This one is known as a timeline, and this is your preview window. And these all are your menus, file menu, edit menu, or tools. You guys can use them. We are going to discuss about them as well, but we will cover all the things step by step. So first of all, we have to see the introduction. So as you can see, this is the zoom in, zoom out. With the help of this option, you guys can zoom in, zoom out your timeline. So I'm going to zoom out. So this is the basic way that how you can import all the files and how you can drag this here. So and if you want to fit with a screen, so you have to click here and it will be fit in the screen. If you want to zoom out, you have to click on this, and if you want to zoom in, you have to click on this, and if you want to make fit in a screen, you have to click on this. So in this way, you can open the Filmora and insert the video files, import the video files, and drag them into a timeline. So this is our introduction class, that how the Filmora how you can download the Filmora and where from you can download the Filmora and how you can open it. From the next class, we are going to start our video editing series. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you in the next video.